Okay, so we got a Bosch with a bad door latch, which is inside your plastic one. It just hooks onto this U-shape metal right there. What you gotta do is take out at least these screws here, probably this one too. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on each side. Actually, this side has there's a couple there. Let's see which ones need to come out. And this one with the top switches, all steel on the outside. Okay, so this needs one of these star bits like that to open it up. This is a DeWalt. You do need to take this one out here. You do need to take these out as well on the top. So it's just these ones here, don't take this out. So it's these ones here, all on the perimeter. And this top one, because you got this is the top latch, so this on each side. This one too. It should drop. There it is, it dropped. This is the door latch that's bad on this model. What was that? What the hell was that? Something pulled out. We don't want it to pull out. Okay, we need to keep this down somehow. Here's the bag. And that works. Oh, it just pulls out. Just pulls straight out. That's it. So we're going to remove this damn thing. Let's see how it's held in. There's tabs right there. All you do is press the tabs down and it'll slide out. Push the tab down. It slides out, that's it. That's what you gotta do with this damn thing. This piece of junk. Oh. This is the new part. Make sure you got the same part here. Looks exactly the same, I think. Looks exactly the same. Thank God I got the right part. Now mine, the white tab broke off because I stuck a screwdriver in there and broke the damn thing off. See that? The little hook? I thought, I didn't know why it didn't move. So how does this thing work? So it goes like this. Somehow it I guess it plunges forward. And plunges down. Something's wrong with that plunger. That thing's not plunging. I don't know how this damn thing works. We should open this thing up later and see how it works. Let's put in a new one. Let's put in the new one. We'll figure out how that thing works later. Okay, so we're going to install this damn thing. So line up, yep, lines up correctly. So we're going to pop it right in there. Those two prongs there, I guess it gives it a little bit of tension, which is good. Slide it in. It's like springs, sort of. A little spring action. Let's get one side in. Oh, there it is. Both sides got in. And I push it forward. Secure it. It is secured. See that latch is in there? That latch is popped up nice. Yeah, just gonna move the prongs to secure it. Be really careful. I'm picking this damn plastic here. Get it from a little angle. And a little twisting action gets the metal up. There it is. The same thing on the other side. This side we're gonna twist it clockwise so we don't snap the plastic pin that's sticking right there. Plastic tab that's popping out here. Man, it's a smaller screwdriver. Oh, it's a small screwdriver already. Let's get the right angle on there. Can't get it. Maybe the smaller screwdriver. Yeah. It's hard to get that one because this plastic tab's a little bit further out, so you can't get the right angle on the screwdriver to snug it up, if snug is a real word. Alright, so this is the small screwdriver. It's actually one from Ring security camera, but it fits really small. Gets into tight spots. And you connect it back up. Oh shoot, I didn't pull the power. This is kind of crazy. I could have been shocked. First thing, guys, pull the power plug or turn off your fuse. Best if you do both. I didn't do either. Okay. You can see the shape. This is probably where it goes. I'm just guessing. It looks like some kind of switch or something. I don't know what this is. Where that goes, just slide in. There's no screws to hold it in. This is it. That's it. Now you got to put it all back together. What the hell is that? Some plastic tabs here. So use your feet to hold up the door like that on the back side. And get these two screws in on the left and right. And then work your way up. After installing it and testing it, it won't close. I installed the switch wrong, I think. Alright guys, I think I see how this damn thing works. Okay, so this is facing towards the inside of your dishwasher. Look at the back. It's just a thing that pivots here. I broke the latch off of here, but when you open it, this is the open position, I think. And this is only a connect. There's no motor here. This is only a connector switch. And that's this little tab here that plunges the switch. Okay, to show that it's in this position. So this is the open position. So I guess the pressed plunger means the door is open. And when you close the door, it presses this in, I think, which locks it in place. And then when you go to open the door, there's a huge spring right here. Somehow when you pull it out, it's going to pull the whole contraption forward, actually. That's what it does. Pulls the contraption forward and then engages this lock. And that's the open position. So I think when you install it, you need to install it in the open position, which is that. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to close your damn door. And that's the secret. I installed it in the door closed position, so that's not going to work. You can see the tab coming up. So let's redo the whole installation and open the switch before we install it. This time remember to pull the power cord from the dishwasher. Make sure you got the right cord. Now we're safe to work. Let's just redo this damn thing. One more time, this is how it works. So you can have the hook extending here. Mine broke off, remember. So door hinge comes in, pushes on this thing, locks it in place. So, or the stress there. So you might want to uninstall this. Then you press the damn switch down to open it up. Let's try that. I think you gotta uninstall the switch. It's the best way, safest way. Uninstall the damn switch. So push your tabs down. Okay, this is how you know you installed it correctly, if you can close your door. So let's first try that with the power off. Yes, 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 you can do it repeatedly. It's correctly installed. Now let's plug the damn thing in. Alright guys, so it's all plugged in. Now when you hit your power button, see, it just lights, it knows it's open. That's in the open position. See that thing? Now when you close it, this engages, flips the switch. And now it starts, and when you open it, it turns off. We're all fixed.